Here's a dealio. So here we are on the Disney store on Amazon, and the way to think about this is pretty easy, really. Disney owns the trademark Disney. It also owns the trademark for Aladdin and Wreck-It Ralph and Mickey, etc., etc. So it owns those, and the way that Disney makes its money is by licensing those trademarks out to other people to make products. Could be companies, could be anything. And you would have seen heaps of stuff all over the place with Disney related products associated with them. That's all through licensing. That's how Disney makes its money. So can you, as an Amazon seller, sell Disney products on Amazon? The answer to that is yes, you can. So let's just take one of these Disney products. I don't know what that is, but we'll just take that one. The way to check if you can sell anything on Amazon is to go to the listing and see if other sellers are selling it. So here you go, look. Used and new. Other people are selling this product. Heaps and heaps of people are selling it. So they are all what you and I would think of as wholesaling this product onto Amazon. They're wholesaling the product and distributing the product through Amazon. So that's one level of that. So yes, you can sell Disney. Now, it does not mean that you can sell all products this way. It just means that you can sell these Disney products this way. Had Disney not given permission to allow their products to be sold on Amazon, and if I then started selling their products on Amazon, that would be me hijacking their listing. That's what we think of and we term a listing hijack. That's all that means, really. It means that I am selling Disney's products and I haven't got permission to do it. So when somebody hijacks your listing, what that means is they're just selling your product without your permission. So then, of course, Disney, if they wanted to, would get their lawyers involved and kick me off their listing, and they can do that. And of course, you can do that. If somebody's selling your product on Amazon, you can kick them off your listing too. And Erica's going to show you how to do that just a wee while when she gets the tech organized. So that's what that means. Can you sell all products that way? It really does depend. Some people do not want their products putting onto Amazon. Other people only want to be the only people selling their products on Amazon. So for instance, if Rolex was selling on Amazon, they would only want to be the only people able to sell on Amazon. Depends what the marketing strategy of the company who holds the intellectual property has. That's what it depends on. Doesn't depend on the factory that makes it. It depends on the company that holds the intellectual property for the product and what their marketing strategy is. But that's really what wholesale is. That's what it is. That's what it comes down to. And as wholesalers, I do wholesaling. As wholesalers, what you're looking for me, I look for two things. I either look for ways of entering a market as a test to see how the market looks, to see how it performs, and I can do that through wholesale. It's a really easy way to get into a market, and then if I make it work with a wholesale product, I can then private label my own version of the product and keep all the profit for myself. Or I use it as a strategy whereby I am augmenting my product range with other products as well, so that I can get the frequently purchased together. I can get extra windfall sales just from doing that. So I use it in two different ways, and it's a great way of doing things. I love wholesale. It really does make sense. If you want to find out more about that, I've got a book all about wholesale that you can buy on Amazon.com. It's a Kindle book, or I've got a course that you can go and look at, which goes into it in much, much more detail, depending on what you want out of it. That's pretty easy. So you just go into here, into the members area, go to this area here, what says advanced training courses, and it says, Amazon wholesale training. Just click on that and it'll take you to the Amazon wholesale training info page. That's it there. if anybody's interested in that. It's a great course. I get some fantastic feedback from it, from the folks that have done it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.